So hello guys, in this video I will share the zoo gift box timing for the different regions of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Nigeria. So if you want to add your country in the list, just comment down below. Now let us move to the different timings and amount of feed you will get in zoo gift box. So the first gift box will appear on the map at 11:05 UTC. The reward will be 1225 animal feed and duration of time will be 15 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 4:35 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 4:05 pm. For Bangladesh timing it will be 5:05 pm and for Nigeria timing it will be 12:05 pm. Now let us move to the second gift box. The second gift box will appear on the map at 14:15 UTC. The reward will be 364 animal feed and duration of time will be 10 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 7:45 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 7:15 pm. For Bangladesh timing it will be 8:15 pm. For Nigeria timing it will be 3:50 pm. Now let us move to the third gift box. The third gift box will appear on the map at 20:35 UTC. For Indian timing it will be 2:05 pm and for AMS sorry guys, it will be AM not PM. For Indian timing it will be 2:05 am. For Pakistan timing it will be 1:35 am. For Bangladesh timing it will be 2:35 am. For Nigeria timing it will be 9:35 pm. The amount of feed you will get 3563 and duration of time will be 30 minutes. So join our Telegram channel for the latest update. Today is the last day of mining in zoo. After that your zoo tokens will be snapshotted and you will get the airdrop. Hope you like the video. Give us a like, subscribe to our channel. Till then, meet you in a new video. Take care. Bye bye.